everybody, and happy Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. It's FOMC day today. Good morning, everybody. If you're with me here in the Discord or the YouTube chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We have RC, Yuri, A-Trades, SW, Amateur Genius, Tommy, Shelly, Julius, Chris, Dylan, Black Lung, Chris, John, Micro Machines, Scott, Gold Chest, Cyrus, Session Flow, Tommy, Kelvin, Vadim, Big Sky, Humble, Fat Citizen. Good morning, Ethan, Vibe Trade, Mike, Fran, Double G, Double Jeezy for Sheezy. What's up, baby? What's up, Mason, Tanner Macklin, Randy Miller, The Beast. Good morning, Caleb Crawdad, Mason G Lines, Grigo El Diablo. Good morning, Lido. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, Holy Earth? Give it up for Holy Earth. Here early in the morning. Morning from London. Good morning, good morning. What's up, investors? Jack, Rocket, TJ, 29 Stuffs, Jacob, James, Future, Mamba, Eddie's Bong in the building, Paul, Yoon, Gary, Pam, The Different Trader, Sleazy Beat, Flippin' Ticks, Johnny FX, Future Millionaire, Hindsight King, Otter, Akil, Sleazy Beast, Adam, good morning, Leg of Lamb, Joe, Courtney, Leon, Kirk, Boomer, Turtles Trade, good morning. You know, I was so close to taking a trade this morning. So close to taking a trade from, where was it? Somewhere in that range. And every single time I was like, I want to go long. I want to go long. I want to go long. And then I got up here and I was like, oh, goodness gracious. Thank goodness I don't go long. We have been like trading right up against that MC level, which is crazy. Because I don't think we've ever traded here before until, well, we had the levels on Monday, 2 days ago. So it is crazy. It is just crazy, crazy, crazy. Anybody have any trades on this morning? We do have some news that's going to be coming out. We'll talk about that in just a moment. But does anybody have any trades right on, on right now? Globex Open manipulation was wild. It was crazy because it just kept going. I missed it. I wanted to take some of that. I missed the whole dang enchilada. Let me go over to my trading view here. Another 1 minute. Go back and look at this. Let's see. Yeah, oh my goodness, I really wanted to catch that bounce. Because that was what, on the, what is this called? The weekly, is that the weekly open? Previous week high. Close enough. Dude, did anybody actually catch that? Did anybody actually get into the market long, like sub 250? Wait, what? You've been in since 218? No way. Give it up for Juan. What's up, Sonny Dude? Rhett Berg? Dylan? Good morning, good morning. That's a weekly open. Old contract. Yeah, I don't know. I know it's an MC level, that's for sure. MC level is goated. Do you do penny stocks like pink sheets? I have one that is looking good. I could look it up for you if you want to share the ticker, but I haven't traded any OTCs, I mean, in a very long time. They're very risky. Extremely risky. Oh my goodness, hold on. The volume's going to go up, folks, in 5 seconds here. I don't know why this is so quiet. Volume's going up here in 5, 4, 3, 2, and there we go. Sorry about that. New Windows. Rips on your VRVP, 3 minute, you capture the beginning of Globex. I think that is what I saw on your chart. Wait, what are we talking about? Let me see. Trying to catch what you're putting down here. I'm trying to pick up what you're putting down here, Dragon. Freaking Windows update. I had another screen with this one. Hold on. This one. That one? Maybe? I don't know. This is my Top Step X screen right here. So, I don't know. Maybe something with that. Oh, you thought I was talking about trading volume. No, I was talking about the actual volume of my voice. No. Yeah, I updated recently that latest Windows update is like a killer. It's crazy. What's up, Nick for a Tick? Nick for a Tick in the building, just passed his Series 3. Was that attempt number 2 or attempt number 1? What number attempt was that for you, Nick? Because as you know, I posted on my Twitter, I failed my first attempt. I missed it by 3 questions. That's crazy. I did only study basically like For 5 hours. Well, that's not true. Like 7 hours. You know? That's about it. Hey, Rivers, can you explain why the NQ dropped 100 points in 30 seconds when the market reopened last night, 6 p.m.? I love your show. Thank you, David. Some manipulation, clearly. This is likely what you're talking about right here. Clearly, that's some manipulation. So, yeah, I mean, that coming down, it looks like a little bit like manipulation there. So, I don't know. There was really no news that said that it should be going down. So, to me, I don't know. You'll kill it on the next attempt. I mean, I'll try. Yeah, I'll try. I'll try my best. We'll see. I'll do whatever I can, but I hate taking tests. I haven't taken a test since college, so I'm one of those people. I don't enjoy taking tests. I have to really enjoy the subject matter. What's crazy is that, like, outside of the regulation stuff, I knew a lot of it, but then, like, the stuff that they try to throw your way, which is really annoying, is like breaking out an Office Depot $2 solar powered calculator and trying to calculate, you know, hedging and spreads and, you know, like a bear put spread and a bear call spread and a bull put spread and like calculating that. It's just like, dude, there's nobody on the planet that is doing this with a freaking calculator. It's stupid. Like, I understand you're trying to test me on the source material, but it just doesn't make any sense. I'm taking the test because I want to prove to myself that I know the source material. But maybe, I don't know. We'll see. Like I said, I hate taking the test. I can't take it again for another 30 days. So I have 30 days to decide whether or not I want to take it again. And that would be on January 16th. January 16th there. I'm in at 218. When will they take profit? I don't know. That's up to you. If you're in at 218, I mean, I would be taking profit right now. That's just me, because you don't understand how much volatility we can experience today. Luna Raid, what's up, O'Keefe's? Haven't seen you in a minute. Or have I? Wait, have I? Agree Ribs. Hey, what's up, Coach? Don't want to retake my ACT again. Yeah, I mean, it's one of those things too. Like, I was fully prepared to completely forget all of the material the moment that I walked out of that building, because there's no reason for you to have a lot of these figures floating around in your head, specifically the regulation stuff. Like, any of the regulations, if you have questions about it, it's not like you're committing it to memory and thinking about it. You're looking it up. You're Googling it. It's simple as that. Good morning, Rivs. A little late this morning. Hey, Trader Page. What's up? Caleb says, toward the end of the day, ES was hanging below IB at obvious liquidity zones. NQ looked to do the same, but someone was holding up. Globex open, filled that relative area and bounced weird. Yeah, I mean, I wasn't there watching the tape for Globex, but I saw how swiftly it dropped. And then the fact that it came right back down means we're just kind of grinding these shorts out of that position. So you mean you don't want to know everything about securities just off the top of your head? I mean, I get the source, and not, okay. The other thing is, like, on top of all of that, when they're asking these questions, they're doing it in a way that they're trying to get you to lose. They're trying to get you to fail these questions, which is just silly. Because it's like, just ask me the question. Like, I talked about this, I think, 2 days ago, but I was sitting there and it's just kind of like, the question was something like, something with regulation. And the correct answer, let's just say, is like 12 months and $200,000. And like the multiple choice answers were like 12 months and $500,000, 12 months and $200,000, 24 months and $500,000, 18 months and $200,000. And it's like, which one is not going to be, just stuff like that, where it's just like, come on. Like, you're giving me all the figures. And then, like, the very next question, the correct answer for that one was like 18 months and $500,000. And it's like, okay. And then you're going back to the prior question and you're like, is it this one or it's just crazy. I hate tests. Test is so outdated, was grandfathered in when I left the floor and was working for a brokerage firm. Yeah, by the way, like, the test talks about single stock futures, which don't even exist anymore. When in doubt, select C. Thank you, Holy Earth. It's for the Series 3, which again doesn't prove anything. It's just a test on future stuff. Like, I got the passing grade on all of the stuff that I think that matters, which is like all of the stuff that I've already known. But then I missed 3 questions that are around regulation that are like very, very specific about operating pools and FCMs and APs and IBs, a bunch of abbreviations for things. And it's just like, dude, nobody's committing this stuff to memory. I promise you. Like, people are just going and Googling it. You'll see. If you ever decide to take this, if you ever decide to put yourself through torture and take this test yourself, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. And I guess a lot of people failed on their first time around due to regulations. Wait, what did Nick say? I asked the question whether or not you took it again or the first time. Felt worse about it than the first time. Oh, okay. So you did take it before. I wasn't sure. The double negatives in their questions are just insane. Doesn't show if you know the material, just shows that you don't get tricked. And the other thing too is that in the section that I actually passed, they keep asking you certain questions about like a trade that okay, your client is taking this trade. And then they give you like a paragraph of nonsense that is literally created just to confuse you. Like, they don't answer the question, or they don't ask the question until the second part of what you're reading through. So you start doing all of these calculations, and then they ask you these questions, and it's like, how much would this trade be worth if the commissions were this? And it's like, wait, but this whole section in the beginning had literally nothing to do with the whole, like, it has nothing to do with what you're asking me. So why do you even waste my time doing that? It's like, it's just trickery. It's nonsense. Oh, goodness. Like when they make you memorize the periodic table as if it wasn't created for that exact reason. You remember when we were kids, or maybe this is not going to work for some of you, but you remember when we were kids and the teacher was always like, you're never going to have a calculator on you at all times. Really? What's this? Teachers were always telling us, you're never going to have a calculator on you at all times. Read the question first, classic test taking strategy. I know, but like, I wanted to, they're throwing all these numbers like in the beginning, and I'm starting to calculate them. And by the way, they give you this, they give you like a laminated piece of paper, and then they give you like whiteboard markers. I'm like, okay, well, when I fill up a piece of paper, or the whiteboard, fake whiteboard thing, when I fill up a sheet, do I just like wipe it off? Do you give me something that I can wipe it off? They're like, no, raise your hand and you can fill out another one. I'm like, what is this? This is just so weird. It's so weird. It's just crazy to me that tests are written in that way. Like, just give me the source material. Just give me straight up questions and I'll answer them. Stop giving me the run around the games. And I like flagged probably like 15 questions for review. And when I went back to them, I changed a couple of those answers, and some of them were regulation ones. So I wonder if I actually had the correct answers for a lot of those. But either way, we'll take it again in 30 days if we decide to. We'll see. One of my professors in 2020 told me you won't always have access to the internet and made us do subnetting on paper, which is wild. Wait, what's subnetting? Dude, what? That's it's true. You won't always have access to the internet, but I mean, most of the things that are basic for survival skills don't require intense calculations as far as I'm aware. IT? Oh my goodness. For real now, we can get our AI on our blue light rectangles to answer almost any question we want. It's very true. The trapezoid of whatever they call this thing. IT stuff, networking. Subnetting is computer science. Wow. That's insane. Subnetting is taking network IP range and splitting it down into smaller network ranges. Yikes, that sounds like a lot of fun. I wonder if in our lifetime, do you folks think that in our lifetime that we will actually see, what is it, SH-256? What is the standard form of security? Something 256-bit. Is it SH? The hash, the 256-bit. SHA, thank you. Do you think in our lifetime that we'll have quantum computing that can crack that like instantly? Do we think that that's thank you, SHA. Do we think that that's like in our lifetime? Like, it's going to happen, right? What's going to happen to Bitcoin when that happens? I'm curious. Like, what is it over? Like, does Bitcoin just go to zero instantly? Like, if you can just crack that, you can, I mean, what's going to happen to the rest of the world? Like, I feel like quantum computing needs to be in the hands of people who, like, we need to create another form of security and then roll that out and then make quantum computing public. Like, you thought Y2K was bad. How many people in here lived through Y2K? Do you remember Y2K? Like, when you were going through CompUSA and Best Buy, they had those little stickers on the computer towers, and it's like, make sure you tune off your computer before the year 2000. You remember those stickers they had on the computers? Make sure you tune off your computer before the clock strikes midnight. And like a lot of people did it. I was a rebel. I kept my computer running the whole time. I think I think at the time I was in IRC chat, not like for the actual New Year's event, but I remember I was talking to my IRC buddies and we thought it was really funny that we're like, we're going to be rebels. We're going to leave our computers on. People thought they were going to like explode. ATMs were going to start spitting out money. The power grid was going to shut down. I feel like people knew that actually wasn't going to happen, though. I feel like that was just kind of a ridiculous thing for people to be scared about. Like somebody smart enough had to be like, dude, no, it's not going to happen. That's ridiculous. Why would that ever happen? No, the quantum computers will be unnecessary for when the last few coins are mined. This is because the difficulty will exponentially increase and the energy output to hash will be ridiculous. But won't they be able to crack the code for being able to like basically open up any wallet? Wouldn't that happen? All the Y2K kits that were sold, millionaires were made. That's crazy. Short from 22,384. Wow, shorts are actually happening here. Let's go over to TradingView. Shorts are actually happening here. This is insane. I worked at the FDIC on their Y2K project, and it was a money grab for all of us. I made so much money during Y2K doing software development. That's so cool. Thank you for sharing. That's insane. Wow, that's actually wild. Yeah, the private keys. Like, isn't the private keys thing going to be an issue for quantum computing? Isn't that what it is? Isn't that like one of the things that quantum computing can break? Is the private keys issue? All right, do we find a short here or do we find a long here? I'm looking at this right now. We're kind of bulling down to the midpoint here, coming down to those 50s. Now I built a bot. I'm the most GTA player in the world. Do you do that with online poker? That's one of the things that sucks about online poker now is that you can have people that are using RTS, real-time solvers. So you don't know if you're up against that, which is kind of annoying. Bounce zone. I don't know. What do we think? We are 10 minutes out until the first news of the day. By the way, happy FOMC day to everybody out there who celebrates, of course. Very, very specifically important day today. On the docket, however, we do have some 8:30 news. We get the November building permits and housing starts, and that's going to be released alongside the current account balance for Q3. And that's pretty much it. I think that's all of the news that's coming out in 10 minutes. So we'll have to see whether or not this is going to hold up or if this is going to start to roll over. S&Ps have just been jostling in a very tight range here for the last hour and a half or so. What is this? How long ago was this? Wow. Is that 5 hours that the S&P has been doing nothing? Is that for real? Wait, how long ago is this? No frickin' way. Wait, 3 hours. For the last 3 hours, the S&P has been doing nothing. It's no more of an issue than someone stealing your car from your driveway. Could happen, would be prosecuted. Yeah, I wonder. I really wonder. I want to see a push up to 22,365 and rejection. That would be interesting. That would be interesting. Probably a lot of longs taking profit. I mean, there's definitely a lot of profit to be taken up here. I'm just curious if we're actually going to have a trade to take here in the pre-market. Outside of that news at 8:30, we don't have any news really until the FOMC. And I'm still debating on whether or not I'm going to stream FOMC. I might stream FOMC here live on YouTube. It really depends on poker today. I really don't know. I asked... yeah, that'd be a lot of bits there. I asked my chat yesterday if I should come and stream FOMC. We'll see. It depends on... There's going to be a morning game at Bellagio. There's going to be, I think, a middle of the day game at the Wynn and then a night game at Aria. Probably can't play the night game because I got to stream tomorrow. So I'm thinking maybe we stream FOMC and then I play like the midday game at the Wynn. We'll see. I'm unsure. Rips, I was watching poker last night. People asked if you were on. What? Where are you watching? What, like Hustler Casino Live? What's probably WPT had a stream going, I'm sure. Morning Rips, the Globex Open was a pretty crazy drop. I saw that too. God, people piss me off. People coming to the aid of low IQ dippies piss me off even more. Be nice. Yeah, let me take BS and not defend myself. Okay, now let's trade good. Let's all have a good day today. Let's leave our troubles at the door. Let's all have a nice day today. More Rips and all. When will you be on Top Step TV? Probably next week. Week following. Whenever. Missed you on Top Step TV yesterday. Yeah, Dakota wasn't on either. Dakota had strep throat. That's my roll dog. That's my trading buddy. The announcers asked who they wanted to see on WPT main stage, and people in the chat said Rip. Well, you won't have to wait long. I will be on another poker stream. January 25th, I believe, is the date. As it gets closer, I will. I'll let you folks know. And then in the new year, we have a lot of cool stuff that's going to be planned here in the new year. 2025 is going to be a fantastic year. I'm super excited for it. G-Line says it broke that upward trend, but this is a bounce spot around 350 or 340. I kind of want to go long here, given how there's a nice little exchange of liquidity here. Could we get like a cheap long? I'm just worried about the news coming out. I don't know. It's just so slow moving. I'd rather wait until the market open. I always tell myself too, because I take some of these trades sometimes when the market's moving like this. Like there was a nice short off of like 85, 86. But I always tell myself after I take a trade, I press the button, I get into a trade when the market's moving really, really slow. And I'm like, dang it, why did I do that? I don't want to be in this trade right now. I'd much rather have movement. Like yesterday's trade, we made about $2,000 on our Top Step Live account. And it was like, I think it was like a 15-second trade. Or no, it was like what was it? Everybody in Discord knows. How long was the trade? It was very short yesterday. Hold on, let me actually see if I can check. Yeah, okay, so my trade yesterday was, wait, is this accurate here? Wait, where is the trade yesterday? 6:30. Okay, wait, hold on. Sell. 6:31, 6:31:04. 7 seconds. My trade was 7 seconds. 7 seconds. 240. Hey, what's up, Richard Harris? $240 was what I made here on stream, but then I continued trading on Discord to make another $1,700. So that $1,700 trade was 7 seconds. Wowzers. That's crazy. That's actually insane. Yeah, yesterday was the 17th. So, dude, you know what I figured out too? Is that, so I'm on a 7-day win streak in my Top Step X live account. I'm on a 7-day win streak. My total profit in those 7 days is, let me just bring this up. I want to be absolutely certain on this as I'm quoting it. Let's see here. I'm going to do some quick math. 42, 18, 20, 32, 8, 33, 11, 26, 189, 12, 55, 19, 50. So if I was trading this across 20 accounts copied, in 7 days, I'd be up $250,000, $250,000 if I was copying this across 20 accounts. That's crazy. In just 7 days. That's insane. I can't believe that. That's crazy out there. How many contracts did you enter to make that 1,700? I think we traded, Discord folks, help me out. How many contracts did I trade on that? I think it was 6 or 7. I think, 6 or 7, something like that. It was like 6 or 7 contracts. Would you get paid out? I don't know. I'm just a dude who clicks buttons, man. Like, what do you want from me? I don't know, but I'm just saying. $250,000 in 7 days if I was copying this across 20 accounts. That's wild. 20 accounts with Top Step. Nope, I'm on one live account. I'm just saying. I'm just doing some fun trader math. Dang it, we should have taken the long. No. Dang it, look at this. We were talking about taking the long. Dang, jeez. What would that have been? Well, I probably would have taken like 3 to 5 contracts, so maybe we missed out on $1,000 right there. Hey, Rips, have you ever heard of an app called Yuka? No. What the heck is Yuka? Let me see. Yuka app. No. Never heard of it. Never heard of it, ever. Scans your food. Knows your impact on your health. Interesting. That sounds very interesting, actually. Yeah, never, ever, ever. Never, ever, ever. I've seen that before. 3-bar reversal to the long. Is it kind of on the 1 minute? Is it? I guess it is kind of a little bit. Yeah, that's more of Dakota's thing. He's the 3-bar reversal master. But you know what? This is like, okay, so like if you nail the bottom, you get 54 up to 69. 68. You get a fill at 68. So you're talking about 14 points at the best of the best, right? The thing is that you're not going to get the best fills, the best everything on your trade. So realistically, I could see myself taking 5 contracts, maybe 8 points of profit. What is that, $800? Come on. I'm not going to get that. Hey, Rips, any idea to see what old entries and exits on Tops of X? Can't figure it out. So down at the bottom, there's a thing called orders. So down at the bottom there's accounts, positions, orders, trades, quotes, and the tilt. If you click orders, it'll show you all of your past orders in your account. So there you have it. All right, 1 minute until the news comes out. Let's see if it shakes up the market here. Let's see. We're just big chilling over here. Kind of want to have a red day. I know it sounds terrible to say, but I'm on a 7-day win streak, and I hate it. Do you ever get that feeling when you're on a hot streak? Like you just don't want, like you want to kind of like get a red day in the way. You're just like, I don't want to think about how much of a green streak I'm on. It's like, well, I know, like you don't want to think that, but it's also like, dude, I don't like get it over with. Like I don't want to be on this streak anymore. And I'm not trying to manifest a red day or anything, but I'm just saying sometimes you're just like, dude, I don't want to be green anymore. I don't want to be like, there's a lot of pressure on me to trade well. You want to control the red day so you can move on? I think it has something to do with that. Yeah, that makes sense. Wait, I missed that? Fruits and deeds. What did you say? Today I made 200 in the first few seconds of the market open and locked my XFA. Nice, like that. And then made another 200 and another XFA in a couple minutes, locked it too. There you go. That's how you should be trading. All right, order book is cleared out. Here we go. Housing starts 1.289 million versus 1.345 million. Building permits at. Thank you, Holy Earth. Holy Earth, why don't you have a green name in here? You drop so much on these donos. I don't know why you don't have a green name in here. It's so weird. I think my longest green streak of all time must have been like 35 days or something. I got to go back and check whatever I use. I think I used Chartlog or Stats Wizard. I don't remember now. How to join your Discord. Don't join the Discord. How about that? I was going to drop a link, but no, how about that? Don't join the Discord. Instead, hang out in YouTube. Ask me again in 3 months if you're still here, and then I'll show you. Had 18 days of green that blew my XFAs. Too much confidence. Well, you got to put some kind of limits in there so you're not blowing it. Hopefully you took a payout, right? Did you take a payout? G-lines? Let's quote Dakota here, process over profit, then the red don't matter. I agree. Yeah, I just don't like thinking about it. It's one of those stats that I wish that my brain didn't track. You know? I really wish. I missed this one. What does it say? Hogue tells a story about him purposely ending his green streak in the pits just to get it over with. I can vibe with that, dude. Based on commissions cost, it's cheaper to take 1 mini instead of 10 micros. Yes. Even if you're trading on Top Step X, which is commission free technically, you still will be paying in exchange fees. You're going to be paying more for 10 micros versus 1 mini. Hey, Ribs, can you talk about risk management on a 50K XFA? How much would your max loss be on a trade? Wow, we are coming down. Do I short this? Hold on. The market keeps giving me like moves that I think look good, but then it's like, dude, I think we missed our short up at 68. Dang it. I'm so indifferent to wanting to trade today. Okay, so risk management on a 50K XFA. I would probably have it. I would be trading the micros to start. I mean, it depends on what your trading experience is. But if you're asking me that question, you're probably less than 5 years of trading in the markets. So I would say, realistically, trade only in the micros. Don't trade in the minis. Trade only in the micros. Only in the micros. And find a way that you are never putting like more than $150 per trade at risk. That's what I'd say. Simple as that. Tomas says, similar for me, I had a 20 plus day green streak on an XFA, blew it in one day though, at least got 5K payouts from it. Well, hey, at least you got paid for it. It's always a good thing. Getting paid for trading is goated. There's nothing like it. What's a green streak? Yeah. Are we trading on new contracts? Yes, Curtis, we are. We are trading on, I want to short this now. I want to kind of short it into this little volume shelf, but I think we're a little bit too late. Makes a lot of sense that it should trade down to 49. It's 5 points. Whatever. Mark is giving you that chance to go red. Yeah, I know. Not good. Someone tell Hogue, my boy said he needed that talk. Hogue did yesterday on stream. He said it made him cry and made him not want to give up anymore. Too bad he already threw out his hat. 5K hat. Why would he throw out his hat? You should care about the commission difference between micro and mini. Yeah, you should. If you're sitting there and you're all like, if your open position is 10 micros and like you're not utilizing it to scale or whatever, like there's no point. Just trade the minis. Just trade one mini. Oh, I wanted to short this thing. I wanted to short it like 56. Dang it. Now we're in like the lower end of this volume shelf. Let's see if the S&Ps are going to unwind and break below this little thing. Anybody short this market now? We lost 353. Let's value rotate. It would make a lot of sense. Are you shorting this, S-dubs? If we broke below 4-hour mid, the prior 4-hour mid, I think it could really roll over. Nice. SW short. Acumen short. Heading to 3.14, 159. I don't know. A little bit of a bounce there. Tell you what, I'm going to take a quick little restroom break, and I'll be right back. And we are, hold on, wait for it. There we go. Wait, hold on, gotta get this one. Boom, we're back. All right, so we bounced literally at the 4-hour mid. Seems to be the exact same spot that we always bounce from, right? Crazy. Yo, Rips, I survived my 2 micro short from last night. I'm going to let it ride. What's your entry? What's your entry? Let's find out. Rips canceled the show. So we get to sit here and watch his charts. I just didn't want to take a trade there, and I had to go to the bathroom. So, wait, do we want to have... Should we do music in here again? Should we do that? I know people liked it last time. Should we have tunes going on in here? Rips used to leave Bookmap for us. Yeah, I know that was back in the day, wasn't it? Let's see here. Okay, get this going. Get a little something going in here. Pump up the jams. Wait, no music. Only if you don't sing. Oh my gosh, now we're coming straight back down. This market is tricking us. S&Ps look like they want to roll over just a touch here too. Maybe I just take a position in the S&Ps. I don't know. Look at this. Stalling down into this. I'm trying to do something a little bit more upbeat today than the sleepy time music. Come on and dump. Well, if we're cheering for a dump, it's less likely to happen, I feel. I feel like I'm in an 80s racing sim with this track. Now, this is like some retro wave right here. Sounds like sophomore music. I can't say that I've watched any of that in any recent years. Are you XRP gang? I used to hold a lot of XRP. I sold it all though. I did sell it. I think I sold mine at like a $2.75, something like that, or maybe like $3. I don't remember. I'd have to go back and look at my transaction. I don't even remember which exchange I sold it on, but I got it all out of it. I usually skip this part of softcore porn. Dude, now it's coming down. Oh boy. Imagine if we would have just got short from like 67. S&Ps are starting to crack lower now too. Ay. I'd be up 400% on XRP if you just held. I bought it at 0.006. That was my original buy. Is this gonna rotate down into like 30? Dang it, I was right there about to click the dang button. S&Ps just broke much lower too. Seems very precarious here. If we get like a little bounce, maybe I can short into this. We've let free of this volume shelf too. Rambo says, I'm done for the day. Nice work there, buddy. Getting those 30s. Very nice. Getting a little bit of a bounce here. If we get a nicer bounce. I also kind of wait until the market opens. I kind of want to wait for that. You'd be up several thousand% then. I made a good return on it. I'm not going to lie. I made a lot of decent coin on that. S&P's still coming lower. All right, whatever. We're going to try a short here. Why not? We're going to try a short down here. See if we can get this bearing lower below. Like 30 evens would be lovely. That's what I'd really love to see in this trade. Let's see if we can bring it to fruition here or not. See if we can break below, like, there we go, a little bit lower. Hammered that a little bit lower through 35. See if we break this 35. There was a big buyer there, right at 35. See if we slice through it now. Okay, a little slicecito. Give me that. There we go. Got filled half. And 5 more out. There we go. Hey, $1,100 there. Yeehaw! We got what we wanted. Anybody catch that little shortecito? right down to the VWAP. Dang it, it's still going. I thought we were going to hold at 30s. Okay, we're bouncing at 24. That makes me feel a little bit better. Notice too, by the way, notice we never cut away from our trading screen. We showed the trade from the beginning of the trade all the way to the end of the trade. Now remember, if somebody isn't showing you the moment that that trade goes on, if they're not showing that to you, they might be doing something that we might find out about a little bit later on, maybe in 2025. Maybe. Maybe. Who knows? What do I know? If you notice that there are other streamers out there, and when they do show you the trade, when they do put it on, and it's always a red trade, there might be something to that. I don't know what it is. But there might be something to that. Who knows? What do I know? I'm just a knucklehead pressing buttons on YouTube. Anywho, I'm happy that we got a green trade. And it feels like we peeled it off at right the exact moment there. So everybody's always asking how many contracts you take on the trade. That was, we opened with 5, and then we added another 5. Opened 5 at 24. Added another 5 at 21. Wait, is that right? Wait, why is it saying 324, 321? It's weird because then it says 331 was the cover. No, we shorted at 331 and we covered at 21. Okay, that makes more sense. How do you use the hotkeys? I don't use the hotkeys. I'm clicking them buttons. So no hotkeys. I'm literally clicking the sell market. I marketed it out of that, but then I limit ordered to cover. We got the very end of that move too, which was lovely. My entry was in the higher 30s. It's weird because the execution is off. Like the execution in the orders, it's flipped. It says that I sold market at 24 and 21, but then I limited covered at 31 and 31. It's weird. So the execution, or wait, hold on. Sold at 38 and covered at 31s. Okay, there we go. Sold at 38s, covered at 31s. There we go. I was reading it wrong. That's better. Much better. If you caught something similar to that, because I saw some people in here. Can we drop a W in chat if you caught something similar? If you were short in this market, you caught that move to the downside. Let's see. I'm curious. Because we're all kind of eyeing that short. I finally pulled the trigger. There we go. Hey. Hey, sick. I love that. Very nice. See it getting to 22,314 daily level. It very well could. I mean, the market's still tremendously weak. I think that we'll come down to the VWAP in the S&Ps, which is at 6136. So 2.5 points from where we're trading right now. That's what I think. I think we'll get down there for sure. Now we're breaking the VWAP in the NASDAQ here. I could see this going down to 314 as well. I feel like I just got my points though. That's 8 days in a row, dude. Yo, that's insane. We're booling. That's sick. I just don't think I want to spoil it now. Wow, look at that drop. 21, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. The music helped in getting the W. I think it was all the music, to be honest. Let's be honest, right? It was all the music. G-Dev says, I played it a little different. Caught the bounce from 32 to 33 because I missed the short entry. Hey, points are points, baby. You're making it happen. We could have caught that short at like 350, but we were trying to be a little bit coy and patient. We break the 20s, we slide. I mean, looking back at TradingView, looks to me like I think this thing wants to trade down to 314. It's getting pretty violent here. The problem is that any one of these bids can disrupt this flow and bring it right back up. That's the problem that I'm seeing. Okay, so now we're trading 314s. Dude, wow, look at that. Just pressure in this market. Okay, S&Ps are at the VWAP. Let's see if it bounces here at the VWAP. If it bounces and it's weak, we could probably take this again. Let's see. Because I'm seeing a lot of overhead supply right now. So if it bounces and it's weak, I mean, we're right at the daily open now. This is definitely a precarious area to trade this market. Because 300s should bounce, right? Looks like 22,320 could be a buy up area. Maybe. There's a lot of overhead supply right now. Tons of overhead supply. Yeah, they're chasing this down. I wonder what's going to happen here at 300s. Let's see S&Ps here. Right at the VWAP. Still just cratering. It wants to find some liquidity down here at 27 in the S&P, so I could see this thing continually failing. What do we do here? $300s. I mean, look, do you see this overhead supply right now in the NASDAQ? They're not tickling into it at all. It's just unwinding like crazy here. Right down to yesterday's low. Yeah, this is quite the... Look at this 1 minute chart, dude. This is insane. Boy, if you caught this short early today... Dang it, we could have caught that way up here. Dude, 370? We could have made 70 points on this bad dogger. That's insane. Still holding. Nice work, SC. I want to see what happens when we interact into this overhead supply here. That was an expensive feed. Yeah, so look. So we drive into that. Let's see if we continue driving. We just bounce right back to the daily open here. S&Ps are kind of bouncing the VWAP. Yeah, I did see the session open. I did see the Globex session open. It was wild. Huh, what to do now? Oh, this is crazy. The 300s are a big area. That was a drop that I certainly did not expect. Like, I did not expect it to unwind that quickly, that fast. Wish my trade had been in a mini, but still working on consistency in the micros. Took an MES, a nice MES trade, but only 3 micros. I'll take it. Never be upset if you're taking a winning trade. I don't care if you make $1 on it. It's better than making no dollars on it, right? All right, let's do a poll in here. Hit the lucky like button. We'll do a poll in here. Sooner we click that like, the sooner we can do the poll. We're at triple threes on the likes right now. Let's get it up to 500 likes. 1,000 likes, we'll do a giveaway for a free month of Clubhouse. Maybe also do an FOMC stream this afternoon. Again, it depends on poker. It really does. Which kind of mic you use? This is a Shure SM7B, I believe. Is that the name of it? SM7B or SM... Is that what it is? SM7B. Got the bounce of 302 to 318. Nice work there. 16 points. Dylan, let's go. I did not. I did not catch the bounce. Yeah, I mean, this is, you know, this is the same microphone that Michael Jackson used to record the Thriller album. Fun fact. Not a lot of people know that one. 48 more likes and we will do a poll. Nick for Tick in the building. What's up, buddy? Coming off the heels of passing that Series 3 test. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, isn't it? Ujjwal says, Rips, I was up 3K yesterday on my Express and I kept trading. I ended up daily loss limit. Is my problem having a gambling addiction? No. You're functioning as a normal human being trying to trade these markets. It's very, 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 very difficult. So here's the rub. You're up 3K and you're Express funded. Set a personal loss limit. Well, is there a way, is this available in Top Sub X? Help me out, folks. Is it available now in Top Sub X where you can make $3,000 and say, if I lose 1,000 from my peak, that I lock out automatically? Is that available yet, or is that still coming? I don't know. I don't know if that's available yet. Not yet. Okay, it's not available yet. Well, when that feature comes, that's going to be a godsend for people, I believe. But I would just say, you know, you're up 3K, take one more trade. If it doesn't work out, stop holding it and just get out and lock it up. Because now you know what it feels like when you go from up 3K to what, maybe you hit daily loss limit. That's a $6,000 swing. You know what that feels like now, and you don't want to revisit those feelings. But I'll tell you what, when you experience pain for long enough, you go through the motions. your brain starts to say, you know, I don't really want to do that anymore. And then that kind of gets you from burning yourself. So, love Top Step just for having the risk management features. Yeah, it's goated for that reason. Look, we are snapping back down. Holy smokes, 13 points straight down. S&Ps are cracking. Holy smokes. I think we break 300s here now. This market is insane. 9 a.m. hour is upon us. We are 7 minutes out from the 9 a.m. hour here. The synth wave is legit. Dude, I love this. This is getting me in the vibe to trade right now. Rose, what's your take using the tilt indicator? You know what? I'll be honest with you. I rarely ever look at it. And I'm just being real with you. I rarely ever look at it. I rarely do. I know they talk about it on Top Step TV, but I rarely am looking at it. There's some people who base a strategy around it that I think can be good. But I personally do not. You might find value in it. It's not that I don't find value in it. It's just that it doesn't fit into my trading strategy. It's the music, Rips. It's calming the body. Very well could be. Richard Harris. OMG, I finally made some money. Give it up for Richard Harris. Nice work there. Can you share which volume indicator you use here in the charts? Yes. Love to share that with you. Right here. VRVP. Visible range volume profile. It gives you the volume profile for whatever you have in your screen. So if I zoom out, you're going to see the volume profile will change. Ready? There you go. And same thing if I pull out here. Bingo. What's up, Ramezla? Wake up, baby. Yeah, this music is good. I wish they had like unlimited music that was like whatever, licensed, royalty free, whatever the heck that makes it YouTube friendly. My strat fade the Top Step house account. Sorry, but it works. Well, I didn't trade on the Top Step house account this week, but I feel like the last time that we did, we made money. I think. You know, it's very difficult and disruptive to be on Top Step TV and trade. Not only because the crowd is rough. Like, I love trading with you folks in the morning because we're all a big family in here. We get each other. Go on Top Step TV, it's uncharted waters. There's a lot of people that are just haters. Just haters, and it's annoying. Trying to trade through that and answer questions, and then got somebody yelling in your ear and being like, hey Rips, when you think of coffee, are you usually the type of person that uses skim milk or 2%? It's like, dude, I'm in a trade right now with 10 lots. Can you kind of just take a moment and just off for a minute? Here, I got a trade on. It's 10 lots, dude. You see it. I know you see it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was just in a trade with 10 lots. I'm not even looking at chat when that's happening, you know? It's even worse when somebody's like, excuse me for a second. Hey, Reps, let me ask you something here. You know, if we're talking about breeds of dogs, which one do you think is faster, a greyhound or a Shih Tzu? Wait, why did it bleep that? That's not even a... Come on! AI, get better. It's very distracting. And then, like, you take one bad trade. Well, not even a bad trade, but, like, you get a red trade. And people are like, I told you. You can do no good on that show, I swear. I will say this. Not being on the show yesterday was a lot less stressful. We traded in the Discord, made money, and I was done. It was great. Hey, Rips, you ever seen the show called Riptide? Your name reminds me of it. I don't know why my name reminds you of it. You know what I got is I got a jersey made for any Trailblazer fans in here. Come on, there's got to be one or two of you in here. Basketball fans, Trailblazer fans. What's their nickname? Come on. Yeah, Darren knows it. Rip City. I got a jersey, Rip City, with rips on the back. Got that made. Because every single time I drag a pot, there's one of the players that plays in Bobby's room who's always like, Rip City. Oh, it's so good. Rips, all I gotta say is your positivity has been a game changer for me. Thanks for all the wisdom along the way. Just keep on keeping on. Thanks, Foxhole. Appreciate you, buddy. 300s are trading. Let's see if we break through 300s here. My fingers are not on the trade button right now, so I don't know if I'll even take a trade here. But the S&Ps are cratering through the VWAP, so that's something to note. Hey, Rip, XRP should rip by January 20th. Hee hee. What's the news, the latest? There's always, like, the rumor mill circulates heavily for XRP. Wow. If anybody's still short, you are a goat right now. They're absorbing a lot of these sellers into the bid right now, but I think they're just gonna crack. Let's see. Bouncing at 300 right now. S&P is still very weak. Wait, shout out a bunch of expletives. Let's test this. Sucker. Mother. I'm so happy my trading office is soundproof. Oh goodness. Language please, baby Trey. I think I'm the only stream out there that actually has censorship. We try to keep it family friendly in here. Oh my God, it's rolling. Here we go. Where is it gonna roll? Oh my God, the market's just free, gone, just ripping and roaring here to the downside. It's a kid's show. Mrs. Rip's gonna come in and be like, are you okay? Soundproof, soundproof. If it wasn't soundproof, she'd think I was a crazy, well, she already thinks I'm a crazy person, believe me. Yep, we have a new low on the day here, right? Is that? No, new low on the day. Wait, where's the session low? The session low is all the way down at 206. So we got time. We got time. We got time to shine, baby. Dude, look at this thing just dumping. Look away for a bit to do some work and see a 100-point drop. Yep, welcome to the market, my friend. What's up, Rips? I don't know what I hopped into, but that was hilarious. What's up? Is that you, Zach? What's up, buddy? How are you? Dude, we are just like slicing through the downside here. I'm so disappointed that I didn't take that. I should have retaken the short. Dang it. We did break through a lot of this liquidity here, but they absorbed it again at like 87. Let's see what happens here. Look at that. They're still re-shorting 87s here. I wonder how strong they are. I wonder. Coming down, 87, 86. Let's see what happens. Wow, dude, it's still breaking below 80s. It's still breaking below. I honestly do not think that this is anything to do with FOMC. Still, I really don't. Hey, Rips just caught that short 2 minis, 322, about 20 points. Let's go. Got in at 316, but just got out was a scalp. Amazing. Is Bookmap similar to Footprint? It's completely different. It's a way to read order flow. And it gives you like the amount of contracts that have been exchanged. It does it via bubbles. This is a combine pass remove. I'll say, if you're just patient and you're shorting it, then heck yes, you're going to make money. This is like right at the end of this big, thick volume shelf here. I don't know if I could short this. Okay, on this bounce, let's see. Let us see on this bounce here. Coming up to 300. Let's see. Rejection from yesterday's value area low. Did we actually get down there? It's not on my Spaceman BTC, so I don't know if we actually got down there. I do not know. The thing is like the reason why I scalp on a trade like that is because it comes down to like 80, and then we get that reversal. That big reversal is 20 handles straight back up. So you never know when that big reversal is going to happen. You know? Here's those buyers I said we see. I know, right? But you never know when they're going to show up. And you don't want to be the idiot who shorts the bottom, which I am often. I'm the moron who shorts the dead bottom often. In the last 8 days, I haven't been that moron, but you know, you can be it. So back at 300 here. See if we can get back above like 305. Idiot who shorted the bottom here. Well, don't be that idiot. Don't be that person. Much better execution than me. Well, I mean, what did we get? We got a total of 10 points on 10 lots. Well, we got over 10 points because we made 1,100 bucks. So, who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? Do we reshort from 300? Who's feeling that? And we missed it already. I feel like the reshort from 300 could have been a move there. Calvin's feeling it. Sounds like the ending credits of Terminator. Yeah, I mean, this music is goated today. The thing is like, I want to listen to more of this style of music, but this is probably the only album that is like this that's out there. Am I playing the WSOP next year? Well, I'm going to be playing in a lot more tournaments in 2025. That's for sure. Caught that short at 300, short scalp. Nice work there, Freedom. No regrets, no re-entry. Yeah, I know. I just felt like we could have reshorted that 300 there. Seriously love this music, makes this more amazing. Hopefully we can find more royalty-free music so we're not repeating the same music over and over. But I do enjoy the music. It's definitely better than no music, in my opinion. Because we always listen to music in the Discord, but it's all, you know, actual tracks. Did I go on the WPT cruise? I did not. I wanted to play the WSOP Bahamas, but by the time it was like happening, it was already too late. Background movie from the never-ending story for the old heads in here. Dude, what was Atreyu and what was the dog's name? What was Falcor, thank you. That was a great movie. Part 2 was good. Did they ever make a part 3? I feel like they left us hanging with part 2. How is your stream one of the only that has no delay? I don't know. I set it to like the shortest delay possible. I don't control it, so that's what I do. Take care, Bob. We'll see you tomorrow, hopefully. What are we at for likes? Let's see if we are... Do we make it? Are we over 500 now? Are we over 500? Yeah, we are. Okay, cool. Let's do this. Let's see. Will the NQ end the day above or below? Oh, geez, because FOMC. I'm going to give you a lofty target. What was the peak MC level around? I mean, let's do 420. So we'll say 22 for 50. No, 420. Well, no, 450, because that's the yearly, that's the all-time high. Above, below. No clue. There we go. Ribs, what is the positive phrase and words of encouragement for today? Lock it out, be disciplined. I might lock up my account here. But then again, I might want to trade for FOMC. I don't want to give back any of my profits. And I'm 8 days. 8 days of green. Wait, so what would that be if I copy this 20 times? Let me see. So we're at that. I would be at, if I was trading 20 accounts, I'd be at $300,000 in 8 days. Woo! That is crazy. Yeah, Phil got stone bubbled. I saw that. I saw that. It's crazy. White Bat Audio, all copyright free mixes. I'll have to check that out. Just do micros. The thing is, like, even if I did micros, like, I don't want to give anything back. I want to keep my money that I made. Dude, S&Ps are unwinding like you've never seen before. What did I say they're going to go down to? 25? 24, 25? Oh my gosh, there's so much selling pressure in the S&Ps right now. It's insane, actually. Ugh. I want to short this so bad again. All this talk about 20 accounts brings up Apex nightmares. I have not traded on Apex since July. No, June. June was the last time I traded on them. It's been a long time since I've traded on any other prop. Why sell off today? Any theory? So we can make new all-time highs. We have room to make new all-time highs, and we can gather a bunch of shorts to rip on the FOMC rate decision of a 25 basis point cut. That's my honest answer. Why would you short golden ratio support? I mean, I'm the guy who usually does short the bottom, but I'm really not adamant on taking a trade here, you know? What is showing the selling pressure? Yes, the book map in the S&Ps. A lot of overhead supply. Very, very pressured. You can see right here. Look above my head. Right there. All that overhead supply. It doesn't exist underneath of it. Very, very pressured order book right now. So, one of the things I look for. Hey, Rips, long time viewer, first time commenter. It's like a radio show. Sorry to hear you didn't pass the Series 3. It's okay. We live to take another test another day. Can you talk a little bit more about the value of passing this exam ads for a day trader? I don't think you'll find any value personally. It was more so just trying to prove to myself that I knew the source material. I might not take it again. We'll see. I hate taking tests. It was not fun to take that. You know? We'll see. Maybe we take it, maybe we don't. Don't you think the Fed is already priced into the market? I would if we were staying tight and constrained, but the fact that we've unwound this much makes me feel that we're setting up for a range that we're going to chop around in. Like Microsoft unwinding right now, Google unwinding, Amazon unwinding. A lot of the Mag 7 is unwinding. Justin says, I say lock it up and go to a practice account. I don't know. Look at now we're trading the 70s. Come on. I want to see if we actually break through that support of 25 in the S&Ps. Maybe you share your top step screen. Here you go. I mean, the same thing. We just have less detail because I don't have Spaceman BTC on here. But this is top step right here. This is all I have on it. You see this this volume shelf? We're right at the edge of the volume shelf. So that's what makes me concerned about shorting into this, even though we could have an epic unwind to like back down to the low of day. LOL, can we actually touch the 200 NQ? I don't know. 200 even seemed like a pretty lofty goal from here. But, you know, I don't think, like, the Fed stuff could be priced into the market, but I don't think that that doesn't mean that we're not going to move around a lot. Like, we could close the day, like, at 330, which is kind of like, well, let's look at the mid. Like, 337. We could close at 337. And this is, by the way, and then if I would have shorted there, that would have been dead bottom for now. But if we would have, let's just say that we close at 337, the market can do loop-de-loos, you know. Like I'm talking like, what if we closed right here, the prior day mid? Like this is where a lot of the volume is. If we close anywhere in here, it makes sense. But that doesn't mean like it can't just go crazy and then he's done speaking and then it goes down and then it ends up here. Like, or let me even zoom out more. Like the market can just go and then he starts speaking and then it goes crazy, makes new highs and then it comes back down and then this is where we close. That doesn't mean that we can't have a crazy day. Like there's gonna be opportunities. I'm just undecided on whether or not I want to trade them. I keep missing these pops to short because I just don't have confidence right now. Rips, turn on top step daily levels. Let's get your take on them. Let me see. Top step daily levels. Let's see. Oh, that's cool. I've never really used them before. Why aren't they labeled? Can we label these? Visibility. I can't show labels? That's kind of annoying. Wait, labels on price scale. Where's the labels? The heck? Where are my labels? The heck? Why didn't it show me? Show me what they are. What is this thing down here? I don't know what that. Oh, I got some schmutz down here too. What is all this? Got some boogies on my chart. What is all this? Get rid of those boogers. Why doesn't it show me the labels? Right click price column. Oh, labels. Yeah, whatever. Shows you how much I care about having these on my chart. Right click on price bar. Labels. Symbol label name. Oh, indicator name labels. Hold on. People are probably like shouting at the screen. Oh, there we go. People are like, you idiot. Click the right button, dang it. Okay, that makes sense. I know. Okay, all right, I'm stupid. Value area low. I mean, that's cool. That's definitely helpful. It's a little bit too much noise on my screen, but hey, that's helpful. For sure, that's helpful. That's like Spaceman BTC right there. Top step level settlement. Yeah, that's cool. I wish I could. Can I take the thing off where it says top step levels? Because I don't need that. Can I not take, like, I don't need it to say top step levels every single time. How do I hide that part? All right, where's my wizards? Here's the settings for VPVR right here. I hide and unhide when checking now and then. Uncheck name label. Okay. Name label. No, I just want the, I don't know. Whatever. Change the name description? This has got to be so tilting for somebody who actually knows how to do this. They're like, dude, you can't, that's all or nothing? Okay. Oh, I already have this on the chart. Hold on. Wait, labels, no. All right, whatever. We'll take that off for now. Sorry. It's just too much noise. Oh, look, I already had it here as well. There you go. Have to change the name of the levels. Interesting. I see. Yeah, it's kind of redundant to have that there. I don't want to have all that either. There we go. All right, so we have kind of bounced here at these lows. We do have 17 minutes till the market opens. If we get to 1,000 likes, we'll trade the market open together. So let's get to liking here, folks. We are 400 likes away. This is on a Series 3. Well, they didn't give me that question. I didn't have it on my question there. That's a Robert question. He is an expert at Tops of X. He is a GOAT when it comes to Tops of X. Tops of X has some work to do for sure. Fix VWAP and Renko would be base. I mean, there's a lot. Wow, look at this, dude. Wow, 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 wow. Crazy. This music is hitting. Press right, click on price and then level and untick indicator label name. Indicator label name. I mean, that was, whatever. It's fine. It's all good. Happy for the people who have a short from 22,380s. Good for them. Yeah, good for you. Dude, if I was, oh my gosh, I'd be so happy to have that trade on. We can remove the pin. Okay. Oh yeah, hey, nice work, SW. Ah, very snarky too. Hey, by the way, we can remove that pin. Look at this. By the way, SW goated. Look at this. Don't remove the pin. Look at how right he was. I'm gonna hit you with a fire emoji on that one. How sick is SW? Literally called that how long ago? Almost 2 hours ago. He called it to the tick. All those people who short the high. Dude, SW, I told you, like, that was your perfect trade too. Like way up there. I'm like, this is your jam, shorting this up here. I just consider we went up thousands of points on nothing, so going down on nothing is just as logical. I like that logic as well. I think it makes a whole bunch of sense. Dakota reversal on the 5 minute? I don't know if we're going to reverse from here. I think the market's going to have to do some things. It's interesting that we did get a little bit of a pump at 9. Like we caught all that liquidity at 9. Well, I guess you can't see it right there. The market's been kind of falling since, so I don't know. Yeah, SW is good. What's up, Mass Trader Rick? What's up, buddy? It's a mega Dolby Dorito on the S4 hour chart. It's crazy. Dude, I didn't expect the breaks to get beaten off the market this hard. Think we consolidate till open? I think we could see that as well. All right, folks, 3.5 more minutes to get these likes in. 3.5 more minutes. We're at 741 likes. 3.5 more minutes. Let's get it. Come on. I might actually keep the same music going through in the Discord if we end up streaming in there instead of on YouTube. Nvidia up 2.5%. Was it the after hours maybe? Always elevator down. I mean, sometimes it's like there's bear markets that are so hard to trade because the pops are so insane. You have to like nail the top and just like cross your fingers and hope that that was the top. All right, 220 more likes if we get there in the next 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Yes, done back to settlement. Yeah, SW called that literally 2 hours ago. It's insane. This is why he's goated. Love SW. Very, very great trader. He was the one who made like What did you make in a month? Like 250K or something like that? It's crazy. Morning, Rips. How is it possible to work with the trader you call SW? Well, he's in the Discord, but I would say do not join the Discord until you've been watching the free streams for at least 3 months. For at least 3 months. How is it that we could have gotten the likes during the poker stream but can't get enough for the giveaway here? How are people tuning in and not hitting the like button? I don't know. We are only 91 likes away. Or no, that's not right. 191. I don't think we're going to get there. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Interesting. 1,600 people watching, less than 800 likes. I know. People are allergic to the like button sometimes. Rips, what is the Spaceman BTC indicator? What does it do, please? It is this right here. There you go. This. It shows you all these interesting areas on the chart. It's called Spaceman BTC key levels. It's basically like the Top Steps levels on your Top Step X. Basically the same thing. What are the benefits of Clubhouse? Nothing more than what you're going to see in here. So just stick around for the free stream. Simple as that. Do a live on 900 likes. Be generous today. I mean, 1,000 is not that many to ask for. Got a minute and a half. We might get there. I like the levels in community. Trader Page has been in there for a hot minute. 3-bar reversal on the 1 minute. Yeah, I mean, I still think this is a short though. But I would be the person shorting the bottom. This could be a reversal all the way back up to 370. What do I know? I think it's the downvotes from the haters. Downvotes don't equate to negative likes. Likes are ripping. Yeah, I'm long on likes. We have 50 seconds. 50 seconds. 50 seconds. I got to stick to my word on this. I'm sorry. I have to. The good news is, though, if we don't hit the likes, we will be back again tomorrow for Thirsty Thursday. We're going to be trading jobless claims tomorrow, live on stream. People have catatonic hands. It's funny because like people want to wait until just that exact moment. 30 more seconds here. 30 more seconds. If you don't hit the like, you're fired. You're fired. Let's see here. 22290 still haven't reclaimed 22300. Have you tried PL on live account on Top Step X? What's PL? I don't know what PL is. Oh, platinum? Let me see. Let me see if it's available for you. PL. Nope, not available. Sorry. All right, there it is. And we're at 987. All right, everybody. Well, it's been real. I'll see you folks bright and early tomorrow at 8 a.m. sharp, 8 a.m. Eastern time. I might be back for an FOMC stream today. That is if I don't decide to go and play poker. So we shall see, folks. Take care, everybody. I love you all. We'll see you bright and early tomorrow. Take care, everybody. See you then.